to the beautiful bird story. Once upon a time, there was a king who was very fond of hunting. One day, while out hunting, the king came across a beautiful bird. The king returned to his place. He put the bird in a cage and hung it in his room. The bird was very unhappy in the cage and missed its freedom. One day, the king noticed that the bird had stopped singing and was very sad. The bird what was wrong, and the bird replied that it missed its freedom and wanted to fly again. He realized that he had been selfish and decided to set the bird free. Opened the cage and the bird